guys here with another vlog for you. Come check it out. I'm gonna install a Megan Racing white pipe and maybe do a how-to with this video. I don't know. I mean, just a couple bolts, couple nuts, not hard. So here's my little setup going on. Got the canopy because we are in Texas and it is about 101 today. So yeah, here we go. Looks like I'm about to do a dyno pull. 1,000 horsepower. Let's go. Good. So here's the Megan Racing white pipe. Brand spanking new. Found this on Facebook Marketplace. Guy just ordered a new one. I mean, accidentally ordered one by accident. Yeah. And there's a problem with my white pipe. Boom, big old gaping hole. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So this is where we're at. I just gotta take it where we're at. So I already took off these. And just 2 bolts, you know. My bolts were different sizes, of course, because, you know, I didn't have the correct bolts. But, yeah. And there. I just gotta take that off, and we're pretty much done. We got a side-by-side comparison. Clean, and how that looks. Megan Racing, shout out Megan Racing. And here's the one that was on my car. Ooh. Beat the fuck, dude. Jesus. Yeah, it's bad. Had massive air leaks. Oh, and you gotta take off these little things that are connected to the bottom of the car in order to put the exhaust on. It's only 3 bolts. They're all 10 millimeters, so should be easy. So I found a problem. It's a small problem, but this side has all the space on the driver's side, but right here it's touching like a lot. So we're gonna try to fix that. See what we can find to, you know, create some space right there. So I did find a little rubber thing that goes to like interior parts. I gave a little bit of space, but not much. If I need to put more, probably need to put more. But overall, exhaust. And there she is, all installed. And if you need to know, these are 14 millimeters, front and back. Well, there she is, fully installed, all by myself. Took me a couple hours, but we got it done. Now let's see how she sounds. If you're wondering about the rasp, it's because I have test pipes. I will get high flow cats eventually. High flow cats kind of quiets down the rasping, you don't hear it as much. But that is the videos for today, so let me know in the comments what you think, and you know, see you next time. See ya.